so carrying the yarn up the side of our work. So we're going to carry the contrast colour that we've just finished using, because we're now ready to use our first colour, our main colour. So to do that, our contrast colour goes over the top or to the right of our main colour, and we're just going to start knitting. So you can see how that crosses over the top of our main colour, and that will just keep it, hold it in position for us. So we've got it there, and underneath is our main colour, which we're going to just start knitting with. And away we go. And we can just tighten all that up nicely. And continue on. So I am on row 5. I'm going to go to the last stitch and slip that last stitch purlwise with the yarn in front, and then turn my work and knit back, and I will then be ready to change colour again back to the contrast colour. Okay, I have finished my second row of colour, of the main colour or colour A, so I'm now ready to knit with the contrast colour or colour B. So I'm going to carry the main colour. So put your needle through for the first stitch and make sure that you've got your main colour crossing over the colour you're about to use. So there it is there. So I'm bringing it to the front so it's crossing over the colour that I'm changing to, and that will catch it and hold it in position for the next time we need it. And away we go. And you can see that my stripes are now happening.